Like many people, did you start trading with the dreams of making a lot of money? And like many, have you experienced something different? Something very different. Did you stop and throw up your hands in frustration? Or did you persist to turn your fortunes around? Did you start educating yourself by reading plenty of trading books, attending workshops, and subscribing to various newsletters? And did your fortunes turn around? No? Well, don't worry, as you are in good company, because the hard and sad reality is that over 90% of active traders lose. But don't lose heart, as 10% of traders do win. So please understand, it is possible to succeed in trading. But before you can hope to move into the 10% winner's circle, you'll first need to learn the truth about trading. It's only through proper knowledge that you'll be able to recognize and avoid the pitfalls so many fall into. Watch my Truth About Trading videos and you'll learn profitable trading is not about picking winners. It's not about forecasting tops and bottoms. It's not about finding a magic indicator. You'll learn it's not about having the perfect entry technique. It's not about being the smartest trader. It's not about being right about the market. And it's definitely not about knowing trading secrets. No. What you'll learn is that profitable trading is based on two important facts. That's right, just two. Know them and you'll experience your own light bulb moment. Hi, my name is Brent Penfold, and I've been trading for over 35 years. You may know me from my international best-selling books, The Universal Principles of Successful Trading and The Universal Tactics of Successful Trend Trading. Please visit my site and learn more about my introductory video course, The Truth About Trading. It will be the best money you'll ever spend on your trading education. I hope to see you on my site. Thank you.